and you are the master of your own action. You're the master of your universe. You know, see your life as a movie and you're the main actor. How would you like that movie to be written? Hello YouTube and welcome. My name is Bart and this is my channel where I like to talk about my personal experience and my love for cars. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and share with your network. Why you must have multiple sources of income in 2020. First, maybe have a travel holiday fund where you can use that fund to be able to travel the world, experience new culture, meeting new people, as well as cost of healthcare. Nowadays, the cost of healthcare is rising. Have multiple sources of income can help offset the cost. And employment, let's be real, no job is safe. Even if you have been at your job for 10 plus years, the day the business and the owners decided that they want to move in a different direction and you're not part of the equation, you've been let go. Yeah, you might get a severance package, but guess what? You're still out of job. So having a multiple source of income, when one income goes down, the other income can pick up until you find the next income to replace. You can lose your job during a recession, a pandemic, or a war. And currently we're in a pandemic and a lot of people lost their jobs. So having multiple sources of income can really help offset a big loss in income. And the other income can be able to support and generate while you're still looking for another source of income. Paying for college. A lot of parents are struggling to pay for college for the kids of sending the kids to college is becoming expensive every single year. So having that extra source of income will help offset that cost and be able to take the first income and push it into your retirement saving, and having the other extra source of income pay for education or save for education, so you can send your loved ones to get a great education so that they can be the future leaders of tomorrow. Pay cash for purchase. When was the last time you pay cash for a purchase? Like a big purchase. Let's say paying cash for a car or paying cash for your groceries. We always like to use the plastic, that plastic. People enjoy that swipe slash, which is a credit card. Having that extra source of income, you don't even need to worry about the price. You just swipe it, you just pay for cash. You just swipe it by using your debit card. But having that extra source of income will help you and will push you towards paying things cash or with your debit card. Pay down for debt. So many people in the United States and around the world are having issue with debt. Yes, debt is a big issue. We need to talk about it and address it. So having that extra source of income will help you pay down those debt, those credit card or those loan, or pay down your mortgage. Some people like pay their mortgage down or off, makes them feel happy. Be able to, having a mortgage for 30 years and having that extra source of income and be able to reduce that mortgage from 30 years to less than 10 years with that extra source of income, it's a big boost. It's a big boost in yourself as well as in your net worth. Yes, net worth. These are the 6 bullet points that I mentioned that having an extra source of income is great and help. But what are those extra sources of income? 1 is your 9 to 5. Yes, start with your 9 to 5. 2, maybe driving for Uber or Lyft, ride sharing. 3, maybe drive for Grubhub or Uber Eats, delivering food. 4, rent your spare room on Airbnb, generate some extra money. 5, if you don't need your car, sell it or use Turo. Rent your car when you don't need it. Make some extra money on the side during the weekend. 6, sell on Amazon or on eBay. 7, get a part-time job. Yes, get a part-time job. It doesn't hurt. If you have the time, get a part-time job. And last, the one that I love the most is real estate investment. Real estate investment, having passive income from rental buildings. Having multiple passive income is great from real estate investment. I can talk every day about real estate investment, the power of real estate. A lot of people do not understand how much powerful is real estate. And hopefully throughout this YouTube channel, we're going to be able to share the knowledge about real estate, the power of real estate, how real estate made a lot of people very, 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 very wealthy and powerful. Yes. So these are some ideas about generating some side income. And most importantly, do not feel ashamed of what other people will think of what you do. They are not you. You are you. And you are the master of your own action. You're the master of your universe. See your life as a movie and you're the main actor. How would you like that movie to be written? Personally, I want my movie to be written with a lot of glory, a lot of action, full of suspense and happiness. You know, when you go to the movie and you see those great movies and you come out, you're so pumped, you're so energized. That's how I like that's how I want my life to be written. I'm the main actor, so act accordingly. Take action. Take action today. Not tomorrow, not yesterday. Take action today. Today is the future. Take action for yourself. Take action for your loved one. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe and smash the like button.